Hi guys, I'm Sharda Henry. I am a mom of 3 going on 5. We recently went to Walmart to pick up our groceries. So if this interests you, stick around. All right, so we'll start with produce. I don't know why my son did that. So we have bananas, cucumbers, mangoes, celery, oranges, mangoes, strawberries, apples. This was my mistake, but I ordered so much broccoli from the pickup order. We have 2 bags of broccoli, so I have to figure out what we're gonna do. Maybe I'll mix a broccoli cheddar soup. And some bell peppers. Then I ordered a 1/2 pound of ham, and my kids like ham sandwiches, and then a 1/2 pound of reduced sodium turkey. Some pepperoni, rosemary and thyme, a bag salad, a pizza, some Parmesan encrusted butterfly shrimp. I got the original ones, not the Parmesan encrusted ones. 2 packs, so we'll see how these taste. This was a substitution. A whole chicken, 2 packs of cheese, 1 cheddar, 1 Colby Jack, shredded cheese. What's this? Sour cream. No, not sour cream. Oops. Cream cheese. Forgot the tomatoes. 2 things of eggs. These are my husband's favorite eggs. Bread. Uncrustables. One of my sons will not eat chicken nuggets unless they're dino nuggets. Maybe you guys can help me out and let me know if your kids are that way too. So I did get some dino nuggets for some lunches this week. Some ginger ale. My stomach still does get a little bit upset sometimes with the twins being in my belly, so that just kind of soothes it. Bagels. 2 things of chicken stock, unsalted. Some syrup and pancakes. Every weekend we do hot breakfasts, and usually it's pancake, eggs, bacon, hash browns. So it's like a big breakfast. So got to stock up on the pancake mix. Orange juice, almond milk, waters for my husband's truck. Strawberry jam. I know it looks like a lot, but once you open one, you might as well just go ahead and just get 2 at a time. These are the really big ones. Some muffins for a quick breakfast or a quick snack. I got them some fruit roll-ups, but I also wanted to try the fruit rolls to see how they do. It's still sugar, natural sugar, but it's apples, pears, strawberries, black carrot extract. So if they don't like it, I'm going to like it. I know. I forgot to tell everyone that I'm vegan, but my family is not. Peanut butter. We needed mayonnaise. Some Snickers for my husband to snack on. The kids asked for Kit Kats. Juice. Vinegar for cleaning stuff. Chips. And then we needed some, what else? What are these? We needed Band-Aids. I asked for the Band-Aid brand, but this was a substitution, so it's fine. This week we are having, tonight I'm gonna cook stuffed peppers. Sorry. That's gonna last 2 days for Friday and Saturday. Then we're gonna have the fried shrimp with some sweet potato fries and broccoli. Then for, I think I missed a day last week with cooking, so I have an extra meal, which is fine and great. The next thing is going to be whole chicken, stuffing, string beans, and then hopefully that lasts us 2 days. And then I'll take the remains of that and make some chicken noodle soup, which is why I had the carrots and the celery. And then if we eat all that, then I also have like some chicken in the oven. Not in the oven, some chicken in the freezer, some chicken thighs, and we can have some grilled chicken well, they can have some grilled chicken sandwiches, but I don't think that we will need that meal. So yeah, that's our plan for the week. If you like more, if you'd like to see homeschool content, grocery hauls, marriage content, all things God, Jesus, then stick around, give me a thumbs up, and think about subscribing. Have a great day, and don't forget to drink your water and repent. Have a great day. Bye.